Hello guys, welcome. If you check right on my screen, you can see Picoworkers where the world works. So right here, I'm gonna be making a review on this website by showing how you can make money with this website. So if you can see right here, you can see an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer, but I'm basically in the channel that I make videos on how to make online. So as you can see my channel right here, I make videos on how to make money online. What I do is I try to if I find something working or something working for me, I record video by showing you guys step by step how I can make it work for you. So by what I need you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel right here and turn on the notification right here by putting this on so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give a notification I've actually dropped a video. So and most mistake people do is that they don't read terms and conditions. So try to read terms and conditions so that you understand the website. So you cannot just jump into the website and just say that you make money just like that. So you don't just go to Trust Pilot and just check what people are saying about this website. Whether you can really make money with this website or not. So right here, people work on Trustpilot. So what Trustpilot does is that it's a website where people can go and write something they know about the website, how website is working for them, whether the website is working well for them or whether they are making money or they're not making money with the website. So that's what Trustpilot. So that's what people go to Trustpilot to do. So if I just click right here, so I see I read customer services review of picoworkers.com. So if I come right here, you can see that Picoworkers excellent have 71% right here. You can see. So come down right here, you can see what people are saying about these Picoworkers. So this one says totally fake, please don't use. Okay, this one don't like Picoworkers right here, but if you come right here, you can see this this is a scam. This website is a scam. They banned my account for no reason. I asked them to view, but they did not reply. So right here, this one say this is a totally fake website. So right here, you can see that this one Picoworkers is total scam. So right here, this one say there is a charge of 20% withdrawal. So you can come right here, this one say good website. If you come right here, this one say a great website. If you come right here, this one say avoid if you have already avoid if you value your sanity or privacy. So you can right here, so you can also go and check it whether you can make whether you can actually create an account and start making money with this website. So because this was an easy any website. So what people are writing here is just people that if people can work for them, they will come here and record how the thing work for them. You can just come read this on this one say easy any website. They don't pay you for one reason and that multiple account. They will ban your account. Okay, this one say that if you create multiple accounts, so they're gonna ban the account. But some people are putting that they ban the account. Maybe they create multiple accounts. So alright, I can see that people are making. I could earn money very easily. So some people are saying good about the website, some people are saying bad about the website, some people are giving 5 stars, some people are giving. So but this website is a great website. This website is have like 71% excellent right here. So right here, so people are saying good about the website and some people are saying bad about the website. So but for me it's a very good website to make money online. So you can see bad right here have 19%, excellent right here have 71% on transparent right here. So you can see. So let us go back to Picoworkers right there. So right here on Picoworkers, I'm gonna be walking you through how you can sign up and start making money with this site. So as I have, yes, so I have seen what people have said about this website. Some said that it have favored them, some it have not favored them. So before you get started with this website, just go and read the terms and conditions. So go and read their rules so that you understand the website. You cannot just jump inside the website. As you have seen that if you create multiple accounts, that they are going to ban your account. So that's something that you need to do. So that's why it's important for you to read terms and conditions. So when you are here, all you need to do just to click on this get started right here. So it will actually bring you right here. All you need to do put your real name, email address, password, confirm your password here, put your nickname, so select your country here. And right here click I agree to Picoworkers. Right, you click on I agree to Picoworkers terms and services and privacy. So after that you click on this send me news. After that you click on this sign up right here. If you click on this sign up, so right here this is what the dashboard will look like. This one new account will look like. So you can see everything is 0.0000. So this one new account will look like. So when you are here, the first thing I need you to do is just to go and confirm your email address. Anytime you create a free account, you need to go and verify your email address. So just go to your mailbox right here and verify your email address and come back right here. So right here you can see there's a bunch of, for this one you pay you 30 cents right here. For this one right here we pay you 30 promote content. So this one they will pay you 30 cents right here. This one promote content, they will pay you 40 cents right here. This one you download ebook, they will pay you. This one download ebook, you can see right here. This one right here, because that is this one Facebook micro influencer. This one, if I just click right here, it's actually loading up right here. Can you see this? Okay. Right here, you can see what this person wants you to do. Come right here. What is expected from worker? Follow our Facebook page. So this way, I can go right here, follow their Facebook page right here. Require proof that task was finished. Send me your first and last name on Facebook. Submit your proof below. So all this person wants you to do right here is just to follow him on Facebook page. Then you send for him. Then you send him your first and last name. So right here, it's here that you send me your first and last name right here. So this way is how you gotta type your proof. So you send me your first and last name right here. So and click on submit proof. So okay, let me use this as an example right here. So as you can see, what is expected from workers, follow our Facebook page. So what I will do right here is just to copy this link right here. When I copy this link right here, okay, click on browse right here. If I click on browse, it will actually, okay, click on just once right here. So if I'm actually giving you a value in this video, what you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. So that anytime I drop a video like this, it will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So it's loading right here. So as you can see, this person actually wanted to follow his page right here. So I click on follow right here. So as you can see, I'm following this page right here. So I will then go back to Picoworkers right here. So back here on Picoworkers, you can see right here they say require proof that task was finished. This guy right actually said that we should send me your first and last name on Facebook. So right here, I'll come right here and type first name, first name, first name. Type the list right here. Last name. Last name. I will type Chino, so right here. It's gonna go to so that right here. And I click on submit proof. So as you can see right here, great, that's submitted successful. So right here, what this guy can actually do, just this guy can verify whether we have already liked the page. After that, you will get paid right here. So if let me just go back to my dashboard, like you can see right here, pending. You can see right here, I have pending balance right here. So if this actually confirm it right here, it will then come to my balance right here. So That's how I can be making money with this site. So it's very so you can see many bonus of what that you can do right there and earn money. So just come here, click on this refer a friend right here. So if you click on that, it will actually bring you right here. So what you need to do, just scroll down right here, scroll down all the way here, scroll down all the way here. Okay, the same. Okay, it will be okay right here. You can see your affiliate link. So you can copy this link right here. Just click on copy right here. You can see copy it. You can see you get paid from each deposit or task 5% right here. So right here, post your affiliate link, blogs, websites, forums, social media, or write Picoworkers review. Refer new members, refer new members, freelance and business owners, and earn commission revenue. So right here, you can have any commission from your referrals. So I believe in the link down there in the description, so you can go there, click it and sign up. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that after I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So I'll be leaving the link in the description so you can go there, click it so that you get bonus. So thank you for watching.